Good morning, dear children. We have already discussed about liquid pressure. Today, I am going to explain about applications of liquid pressure. Have you ever visited a dam? A dam is built across the river to collect water for the purpose of water supply, irrigation, and generation of hydroelectric power. The wall of the dam is made thicker at the bottom because pressure exerted by water increases with depth. Thus, as depth increases, more and more pressure is exerted by water on the wall of dam. So, a thick wall is required to withstand a great pressure. Second is, in public water supply system, water from rivers is pumped to water treatment plant. After treatment, the water is pumped up to water storage tank situated higher than the houses in that area. A water tank is usually built on the terrace or at the top of the house to store water and maintain constant water pressure. This is because greater the height of the tank, greater will be the pressure of water in the taps of the houses. Atmospheric pressure. We live on the earth and there is a lot of air around us. The layer of air surrounding our earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere extends up to several kilometers above the surface of the earth. Air has weight, so it creates pressure on the objects below. The pressure exerted by the air due to its own weight is called atmospheric pressure. Barometer is a scientific instrument that is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured in Pascal and kilopascal. Standard atmospheric pressure used by scientists is about 100 kilopascal, which is the average pressure at sea level. Let us perform an activity to show the presence of atmospheric pressure. Take a full glass of water. Cover the glass with cardboard in such a way that there is no air in the glass. Invert the glass by placing one hand on the cardboard and the other at the bottom of the glass. After pressing the cardboard, remove the hand from the board. Now see what will happen. You will see the card does not fall because the atmospheric pressure acts on the card in the upward direction and holds the card in place. The upward atmospheric pressure acting on the card is greater than the downward pressure of water on the card. And this shows that the presence of atmospheric pressure around us. On the surface of the earth, the atmospheric pressure is the maximum at the sea level. When we go to high altitudes, then the atmospheric pressure decreases. The mountaineers suffer nose bleeding at high altitudes because at high altitudes the atmospheric pressure is much lesser than our blood pressure. Due to this, some of the blood capillaries burst and blood comes out through the nose of the mountaineers. An astronaut wears a special spacesuit that maintains the normal atmospheric pressure for the body since there is no atmosphere outside the earth.